Hi, welcome to online class. Dear learners, how are you? My expectation is you are keeping well by the grace of Almighty in this COVID-19 pandemic. I am staying at home. Are you staying at home? Okay, let's start our class. Look at the picture. A man is walking on the stair. He may want to go second floor or any floor of the building, but he has to start. In our day-to-day life, if we want to get success, we have to start any work. So our today's lesson is the beginning. Unit 5, Lesson 1, learning outcomes. That means what we will learn from this lesson. At the end of the lesson, student will be able to read and understand text through silent reading, asked and answer question, right answer to question, write a paragraph. At first, let us learn some new words and synonym with word meaning. Typical, characteristics, usual, that means বৈশিষ্ট্য বা গতানুগতিক যেটা আদর্শ স্বরূপ আমরা বলতে পারি। বাহাদুরপুর is a typical village. Look at the picture. Extraordinary, unusual, tremendous. বাংলায় যাকে আমরা বলতে পারি অসাধারণ। শামিমা আক্তার is an extraordinary woman. Willpower, confidence, determination. বাংলায় ইচ্ছা শক্তি। Everything is possible if your willpower is strong. Determination, কনফিডেন্স, পাওয়ার অফ মাইন্ড। বাংলায় আমরা মিনিংটা জেনে নেই আত্মবিশ্বাস বা দৃঢ় প্রতিজ্ঞ। এভরিথিং ইজ পসিবল ইফ ইউ হ্যাভ ডিটারমিনেশন। অ্যাসপেক্ট, আউটলুক, ভিউ, অ্যাপিয়ারেন্স। বাংলা অর্থ হচ্ছে প্রত্যাশা বা দৃশ্যমান বা প্রতীয়মান। ইট ইজ আওয়ার অ্যাসপেক্ট টু মেক আওয়ার লাইফ বেটার। ডিফাইন, অ্যাভয়েড, ডিসঅবে। বাংলার অর্থ হচ্ছে অপ্রতিরোধ্য বা পরিহারযোগ্য। হি সাকসিডেড ডিফাইং অল দ্য ওডস অফ লাইফ। Jhinaidaho is a district. Our today's topic, Jhinaidaho is a place where Shamima lived. Look at the picture. Bahadurpur, a small village in Jhinaidaho. Look at the following pictures. First one, the farmer is plowing land. He's plowing his land to plant seeds. The picture second one is depicts that the farmers are planting their seeds. Picture number 3, they are preparing golden fiber of our country. Some women are doing their activities. They are preparing rice or paddy. Here is the women making cakes or pitha. People here spend their day-to-day life mostly working in the fields and doing household works. Look at the picture. Ordinary village, extraordinary woman. Shamima Akhtar Maya. She works at her boutique house. Read the text and tick the best answer to the following questions. Dear students, open your textbook, page number 49. Read silently from Shamima's willpower and determination to setting up her boutique. Shamima's willpower and determination have made her extraordinary. She has seen the most cruel aspect of life, but the cruelty could not defeat her spirit. She has come out as a winner, defying all the odds of life. Shamima is now 32 years old. She runs a small boutique called Hoiko Nari Kollan Sangstha in her village. Let's hear from Shamima how she succeeded in setting up her boutique. Okay? We should try to answer the following question, MCQ question. Question number 1. Bahadurpur is a typical Bangladeshi village. The underlined word means we have to find out the similar word, that means synonym of the word typical. A. Unusual. B. Usual. C. Famous. D. Infamous. Which one is the correct answer? Try yourself. Yes, usual. Number 2. Shamima is an extraordinary person. Here, underlined word means A. Common. B. Simple. C. Amazing. D. Normal. Think which one is the correct answer. Amazing. Okay. Next, number 3. People of determination succeed in the long run. Here, underlined word means A. Willpower. B. Weakness. C. Strong desire. D. Wish. Which one is the correct answer? Yes, willpower. Number 4. Shamima has faced the most dark aspect of life. Here, the underlined word means A. Appearance. B. Position. C. Characteristics. D. Pitch. Try yourself. Yes, position. Number 5. The tragedy in Shamima's life could not defeat her spirit. Here, spirit means ghost, soul, strength, wisdom, strength. That means strength is the synonym of spirit. Okay, now complete section B and C from your textbook homework. Write a paragraph about Shamima from your imagination. In your paragraph, write what Shamima should do for the good for her own family as well as the other families in the village. After completing the passage, now we can say the morality of the passage: self-help is the best help. Thank you.